Hey guys, so it is Saturday morning and I'm gonna go outside now work on the Jetta. So it did turn out that it's just a power steering line. I'm gonna swap that out. I'm gonna put the hitch on, get that all mounted, get the whole wiring done for that, and we're gonna go pick up my sled today. I have my sled at my buddy's place right now and I wanna bring it home, clean it up, and sell it. So I'm gonna get the Jetta working at a point where it doesn't need to be touched too soon. They will need eventually the transmission swapped out, which I have a spare, but it's leaking from that hole that I drilled inside of it. So I'm gonna see if I can just put electrical tape for now around the bolt and shove it back in and see if I can somehow seal that up, because I do not want to be pulling a transmission, especially in the cold weather. Maybe it'll make me through the winter, maybe it won't. We're gonna go see. But yeah, I also gotta clean up the garage because it's starting to get a little messy again. I gotta make space for the sled.
So it doesn't seem to be leaking anymore. This was a pain to do. It is foaming up a little bit. And it should be good. I leaked a lot out. Turns out it's just the line. Yeah, it looks like it's just the line. I'm gonna take it for a test drive. Really work it in. You know? But she's getting there, and the hitch is next. It took me forever to do this. It's so cold outside today. Hopefully this goes a lot smoother. Hey guys, so I got the Jetta in, and I thought this would be a good time to show you guys with the brackets installed. Pretty much what I did was I went to the outside there and on the inside of it, and that pretty much just moved it over a 1/4 inch or so. And as long as you tighten the top bolt first, it stays relatively straight, but the bottom I really cranked it and I bent the metal in, so that's why it's slightly towing in, which is good also because it won't really want to move after it kind of puts pressure on the bushing and it really locks it into place. Sorry about this. Snow is really throwing it off, but yeah, I used the stock bolt up top because it was longer than the one I had, and then the one I had to put a lock nut washer on it. So anyways, this new hitch I have, I'm gonna mock up and we'll see how it works with exhaust. So that's roughly how the hitch is gonna sit. It's gonna bolt into the tow hook there, then 2 bolts into the tub and 1 up on the side. The exhaust needed to be manhandled a little bit, but I finally broke the hanger off. Gave us enough clearance. It's gonna get tied up soon, but first I'll mount the hitch and then I'll see what's up. So after opening the boxes, or the little bag, sorry, I noticed that I'm missing nuts and some washers. So gonna go to the hardware store now, pick up some of that, and come back to finish this off hopefully. Okay, so we're back. Came a little backwards. Oh, we got some fresh hardware for them. Alright, let's go. Let's see how we can bolt this thing up. Alright guys, so we got the hitch all up installed. The exhaust hanger had to be moved a little bit. But regardless, put some new hardware on some of them. And on this one. Alright, and it fits, you know, pretty snug with everything. The exhaust got mangled over a little bit, but it's no worries. This is just temporary. So guys, I don't have this trim piece in the back here, and for my Jetta, the wires that run along for the right side signal wire is right there. So I'm just gonna tap into them down in this corner, everything. And yeah, I use my multimeter to find out which ones are which. That red wire there is the stop, the brown is the tail lights, and that green and black is my right signal. And then I think it's green and or black and white on this side. The second one in is the left signal. So yeah, I'm just gonna tap into those with the little blue tap connectors, and then ground. There's number 10 just behind this cover, right there. So I'm just gonna get a little butt connector with the little ring, and I'll tap it underneath that, clean out some metal, and that should be good to go. Alright guys, so it's done. For now it's just gonna be like this, hanging on the trailer and connected up. But eventually, once I'm done my whole mounting thing, I'd like to somehow put the stick in through the bumper and just have this little front piece sticking through and screwed down to something, I'm hoping, or even sticky. Anything really, but at least tucks it away. But this is good for now. I'm literally just gonna close up, get my straps. I'm gonna go pick up the trailer now, and Veronica and I are gonna have lunch first, and then yeah, hopefully everything goes smooth. Should be towing good. See no issues, no reason for it to not be. So yeah. Take her home, fix her up. This needs like a little bit of basic tune-up, and she's ready for sale, guys. So 2011 Pro R Polaris Rush 800, 2-stroke. As you can tell, she's still warming up. She's a little smoky, and the Jetta's gonna be towing it. So it's gonna be the first real pull with the Jetta towing something. And we're gonna see how it goes. Oh, I missed this sled. So, what's up guys? We're almost home, and the Jetta just towed the sled on the trailer pretty damn good, and it still pulls pretty strong. Doesn't feel like it's too much of a load at all. Regardless, she's gonna get some goodies put on her soon. Stronger hitch system too, so she can tow more weight. And I'm gonna see if I can beef up the lift even more. But that's still a long way away. For now, we're gonna get this beauty home, get her cleaned up, and get her sold. So, what's up guys? Don't want to unload the sled because it's kind of like stuck with the carbides and stuff. So we hooked up to the garage, and we're gonna drive away. We're gonna see how that goes. Nice and easy, because we're lazy. How you do it. Look at that. I didn't even have to waste a muscle. I just wrapped it around. Old trusty old garage. Look at that. Brand new. She's on the floor. So we do sadly gotta pull her in, but we can just start her up for that. Reverse it in, and she's good to go. Sounds like tomorrow we're gonna have a snowstorm, so we might take her up for a rip. Yeah, bud. Full send, bud. So we're gonna full send this up. Send button. She looking pretty. Looking damn pretty. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. The wheels can't hold over the